Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's session we will be working on Excel chapter 3 simulation training. I will guide you step by step. You can easily understand the instructions and complete your simulation training without any confusion. If you need any help with MyLab IT assignments, quizzes, simulation exam or a complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for accounting, finance, Excel, Word, PowerPoint, MS Access, mathematics, stats, economics, writing, computer science courses, programming languages like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP, Python, C Sharp, Java, and website development using different frameworks and CMS like WordPress, Webflow, Wix, and other frameworks and CMS. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Now let's start the today's simulation training and go through it step by step. The question number 1 is select the range A5 to D9 on the Outlook sheet. Use the insert tab to create a clustered column chart. Basically in this question you will have to select the range A5 to D9 on the Outlook sheet and then use insert tab to create a clustered column chart. First we select the range A5 to D9, then go to the insert tab, then go to the chart section, then click on down arrow and then all chart, then column chart, then click on this. Clustered column chart are inserted. Cut the selected chart and paste it in cell H1. Simply you can cut this chart and paste into the cell H1. First we select the chart and then go to the home tab, then click on this scissor option for cut, and alternative you can use the shortcut Ctrl X for cut and then go to the cell H1 and then paste it. Next part is adjust the height of the column chart to 3.5 inches and width to 5.3 inches. Close any open task panes if necessary. First we select this chart, then go to format tab, then chart in the width and height. You can go to the size tab and increase this. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 2. Question number 2 is select the ranges A5 to B12 and D5 to D12 and use the recommended chart feature to create a clustered bar chart. First we select the range A5 to B12. First we select the range A5 to B12 and then select the range D5 to D12. Select this range, then go to insert tab, then go to chart section, click on recommended chart and then click on the clustered bar chart. Click on this. You can see that the chart are inserted. Change the chart from a clustered bar to a default stack bar chart type. So we select this chart, then go to the chart design tab, then click on the change chart type, then you will have to select stack bar type. Click on this stack bar, then press OK. The next part is move the selected bar chart to chart sheet named bar chart. Basically in this question you will have to move this bar chart to the new sheet named bar chart. First we select this chart, then click on move chart option that are exist in the chart design tab. Click on this, then you will have to see move chart and drop down are open. You will have to type a new sheet name is bar chart. You will have to enter bar chart, then press OK. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 3. Question number 3 is display the new jobs sheet. Click on this new jobs, And the next part is on the new jobs worksheet, select the range A4 to B9 and use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. First we select the range A4 to B9 and then use quick analysis to create a default pie chart. First we select this range, then click on this drop down, go to the chart section, then click on this. You can see that the pie chart are inserted. Move the chart to a sheet named pie chart. Basically in this question you will have to move this chart to the new sheet. Select this chart, then go to the chart design tab, then click on move chart, click on this, then select new sheet and give name to its pie chart, then press OK. As you can see that our chart moved from previous sheet to new sheet pie chart that we will have created new. Question number 3 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 4. Question number 4 is display the Outlook sheet. First we click on the Outlook sheet, and the next part is on the Outlook worksheet, select the ranges A5 to A12 and D5 to E12. First we select the range A5 to A12, then select the range D5 to E12, D5 to E12, and then use the insert tab to create a clustered column combo chart with a line on the secondary axis. Select these ranges, then you can go to the insert tab, then go to the chart section, click on this drop down, you can go to the column combo, then click choose, then choose a clustered column line on secondary axis chart. Select this, then press OK. You can see that this chart are inserted on this sheet. Move the chart to the sheet named combo chart. Basically in this question you will have to move this chart to new sheet combo chart. Click on the move chart, then new sheet, you will have to enter a name combo chart, write combo chart, then press OK. The chart are moved to the new sheet combo chart. Question number 4 are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 5. Question number 5 is type new computer related jobs by 2029 as the chart title for the pie chart. Bold the title and change the font size to 18. Basically in this question the title are given in the question. Simply you can write a chart title and remove previous one, default text chart title, remove it, then type a new name, new computer related jobs by 2029. By 2029 as a chart title for pie chart. Bold the title and change the font size. First we select this title, then go to the home tab, then click on the bold and change the font size, and you can select the font size from 18. Apply the black text 1 second column first row font color under theme colors to the chart title. Click on this title, then click on the color section and you can choose this color. Question are completed now. Now move to the next question, question number 6. Question number 6 is use the chart elements button to display the primary horizontal axis title for the column chart. Type job titles as the axis title. First we select this chart, then go to the chart design, then click on add chart element, display the primary horizontal axis title. You will click on this The next is title. You will type job titles as an axis title. The next is apply dark blue font color to the horizontal axis title. In the horizontal axis title, you can select this, then apply a color dark blue. Then the next question is modify the vertical value axis so that maximum bound is 18 lakh. Keep the format axis pane displayed. First we click on this axis, then right click on this, then go to the format tab. In the maximum bound you will type a value 18 lakh. The next part is change the vertical axis display units to thousands. In the display unit you will select the thousands and close this tab. Apply dark blue font color to the value axis title vertical value display units label. Click on this vertical value, select this, then apply font color. Click on this drop down, then you will select a color dark blue. Question number 6 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 7. Question number 7 is display inside and data labels on the pie chart. Choose the chart element menu. First we click on this plus button, then go to the data labels, inside and click on this. The next part is use the format data labels task pane to display percentage data labels and remove the value data labels. Close the pane. Click on this, right click and format data labels. You can choose percentage and uncheck the value. Apply bold to the data labels. First we select the data labels, then go to the home tab, then click on bold. Apply an 18 point size to the data labels. So we select data labels, then apply a font. Question number 7 are completed now. Now move to the next question. Question number 8. The next question is open the format chart area pane. Apply the blue tissue paper texture fill to the chart area of the pie chart. Keep the task pane open. First we select this chart, then right click on this, then go to this tab, chart, format chart area, go to this section, then picture, blue area, blue tissue paper. You will have to select the color blue tissue paper texture. This one, click on this. This color are applied on this pie chart. Use the alt text pane to enter. Displays the percentage of new computer jobs by job title, including the period. Close the alt text pane. First we click on this chart, then right click on this, then go to the edit alt text, click on this. You can go to this for tab alt text. You will type a text. Displays the percentage of new computer jobs by job title, close this. The next is apply red solid fill color to the computer systems analysis slice. Keep the task pane open. Click on the computer system analysis. This one is a computer. Click on this. Then you can go to the format data point, then choose this drop down to color. Click on the red color. Explode the computer system analysis red slice 10%. Then go to the format data point, click on this chart section, then explode it 10%. You can see that this pane are exploded 10%. Close the task pane. You can close this task pane. Question number 8 are completed now. We have now completed 8 questions of this simulation training. If you need any help with the remaining questions or want me to handle your complete course, you can contact me anytime on my WhatsApp and email. My contact details are available in the description and also shown on my laptop screen. I will provide you full support for all types of assignment, quizzes, simulation exam, simulation training, weekly assignment, midterm and final exam. I have successfully handled courses for the students from Canada, USA and many other countries. If you need any help with this task or your complete course, feel free to reach out me. You can also contact me for your complete course at very reasonable price with A+ grades guaranteed. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel.